How to get free books on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Books application on your phone. As you get here, select the bookstore from the bottom panel. From here, scroll down through the menu to find special offers and free. Over here, scroll down to the top free chart that shows the most popular free books and audiobooks, based on download numbers. Now, from the top free section, select your desired book. Suppose you want to read Mr. Marshall's Method by Jesse York. Tap on it to select. Here, from sample you can preview a portion of the book before downloading. Then, by tapping on the Get button you can download the book. If the book is not free, you will see the word buy and the price instead of get. Following these steps, you can easily get free books on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.